In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Make.com. Whether you're looking to streamline your scheduling or automate your workflow, integrating these services can be a game changer. Let's dive in and set it up step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Calendly website. In particular, you want to access the integrations page, specifically the webhooks API section. Here, we're looking to use some specific integrations tools that Calendly offers to connect with external platforms like Make.com. Once you're on the right page, look out for the section where it mentions building custom integrations with Calendly data. This is the area where you'll find the tools to set up customized and automated workflows. After you've found that, click on Get a Token Now. This token is crucial because it essentially acts as your access key, allowing you to link Calendly with the other systems you'll be using. After you've clicked to get your token, you might see a prompt asking you to continue. Go ahead and click on that too. It'll likely take you to another page or a confirmation window where more details about the token might be highlighted. You'll need to name your token or give it a label, something meaningful so it's easily identifiable later on. Once you've done that, hit that Create Token button, and soon enough, you'll be guided to a page where your new token is displayed. Make sure to copy this token, maybe put it in a safe place because you'll need it to connect to Make.com. Next, it's time to navigate to Make.com. Here, you want to focus on the Scenarios section. Think of scenarios as automated workflows. You'll want to click to create a new scenario, which leads us to the heart of our workflow design. In this new scenario, search for triggers when an event is created or canceled. This particular trigger is valuable as it allows us to respond automatically when something happens in Calendly, like an event booking or cancellation. Following up, you'll then build a connection by creating a webhook. Essentially, this webhook will be your technical liaison, communicating between Calendly and Make.com. Select it, and you'll be seeing some specifics such as the organization endpoints. This is where the token from Calendly comes in handy. Now fill in the necessary parts by selecting from the list of options presented. It might ask for your Calendly organization details. Use that token to authenticate and give Make.com the proper access it needs. Finally, once all the connections have been checked and confirmed, make sure to hit Save. Saving ensures all your hard work and setup doesn't go to waste. You may need to save several times at different levels of the setup. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on linking Calendly to Make.com. This can tremendously improve your workflow efficiency by automating how you manage appointments and schedule updates. Thank you for following along and happy automating.